Epoxy resin is an incredibly adaptable material used across many fields, including electronics, construction, and even creative arts. Its widespread appeal comes from its strong bonding ability, resistance to chemicals, and long-lasting durability. Despite how common it is, many people don't fully understand how epoxy resin is produced or the detailed process that transforms basic raw materials into the tough, dependable substance used in countless applications. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process behind epoxy resin production, breaking it down step by step to reveal how this impressive material is created. Let's explore right here on History of Simple Things. Epoxy resin traces its origins to the early 20th century, with key breakthroughs occurring in the 1930s when scientists in Switzerland and the United States began experimenting with epoxide compounds. In 1936, Pierre Castan and Dr. S.O. Greenlee independently developed the first practical epoxy resins, laying the foundation for modern formulations. By the 1940s and 1950s, epoxy gained commercial importance, especially in coatings and adhesives, eventually expanding into aerospace, electronics, and construction industries. The production of epoxy resin begins with the formation of its essential building blocks, which give the material its distinctive characteristics. The primary ingredients are epichlorohydrin and bisphenol A. Epichlorohydrin is derived from propylene, a byproduct of petroleum refining, while bisphenol A, BPA, is an organic compound formed by combining phenol and acetone. Together, these substances serve as the foundation for epoxy resin. The first stage of manufacturing involves a chemical reaction between epichlorohydrin and bisphenol A, carried out in the presence of a catalyst to speed up the process. During this reaction, the two compounds combine to form a structure known as a Glycidyl ether. This structure acts as the backbone of the resin and contains reactive epoxide groups, which are key to the material's strong adhesive qualities and ability to form cross-linked networks. The result is a thick liquid known as epoxy resin, which at this stage is still relatively inactive and requires further treatment to become practical for use. After the initial reaction between epichlorohydrin and bisphenol A, the next step is to modify the resin to suit various applications. This is done by adjusting the molecular weight of the resin, which ultimately affects the resin's viscosity, curing time, and mechanical properties. To modify the resin, manufacturers often introduce different types of curing agents, also known as hardeners, which help determine how quickly and thoroughly the resin will cure when it is used in a project. The curing agent is a crucial component in the epoxy resin process, as it activates the resin's chemical reactions and causes it to harden or cure once it is applied to a surface. One of the most commonly used curing agents is amines, which are organic compounds that contain nitrogen atoms. When an amine-based curing agent is mixed with the liquid epoxy resin, the epoxide groups in the resin react with the amine groups in the curing agent, forming a tightly bound network of molecules. This cross-linking process is what gives epoxy resin its unique strength, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. The type and amount of curing agent used can influence the final properties of the resin, such as its hardness, chemical resistance, and flexibility. In addition to amines, there are various other curing agents used in epoxy resin production, including anhydrides, polyamides, and phenolic compounds. These curing agents all have unique properties, allowing manufacturers to customize the resin for specific uses. For example, if the resin needs to have a long working time or high resistance to heat, a specific type of curing agent may be chosen to achieve these desired characteristics. Once the resin has been properly mixed with the curing agent, the next step is to allow it to cure. The curing process can occur at room temperature or may require heat, depending on the formulation of the resin. Some resins are designed to cure very quickly, while others are designed to remain workable for a longer period, which allows the user more time to manipulate and apply the resin. In most cases, the curing process involves the chemical cross-linking of the resin molecules, which transforms the liquid resin into a solid, durable plastic material. This is when the epoxy resin takes on its final properties, such as its strength, hardness, and resistance to heat and chemicals. The final step in the production of epoxy resins is the packaging and distribution of the material to manufacturers, artists, and other end users. Epoxy resins are sold in various forms, including liquid resins and pre-mixed kits that include both the resin and the curing agent. These products are available in a wide range of viscosities and formulations, depending on the intended use. For example, some resins are designed for use in coatings, while others are formulated for use in adhesives, laminates, or casting applications. Epoxy resin is used in countless applications, from everyday items like countertops and flooring to more specialized uses in aerospace, automotive, and electronics industries. The resin's ability to resist corrosion, extreme temperatures, and harsh chemicals makes it ideal for use in environments that require durability and longevity. For example, in the aerospace industry, epoxy resins are used in the production of lightweight, high-strength composite materials that are essential for the construction of airplanes and spacecraft. In electronics, epoxy resins are used to encapsulate and protect circuit boards, ensuring their reliability and performance in various electronic devices. The process of making epoxy resin is a complex, multi-step procedure that begins with the synthesis of basic chemical components and ends with the creation of a highly durable and versatile material. As demand for more sustainable materials grows, the industry continues to innovate, making epoxy resin not only a functional but also a more environmentally friendly choice in various industries. Whether used for industrial applications, artistic creations, or everyday repairs, epoxy resin's impressive properties make it an indispensable material in modern society. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.